Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a Cash App account in non-supported countries. So the list of non-supported countries by Cash App right now is countries like Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Togo, Rwanda, Iceland, the UAE, Portugal, and Germany. So if you want to create a Cash App account from any of those countries, there's a couple options you can do. The first option is to do the sign up process by using a VPN. So a VPN is like a program that can switch you over to another country. So it seems like you're browsing from the USA, even though you're actually in Germany. So there's a couple of VPN you can get, but the one I recommend is called Proton VPN because that's free and it's pretty reliable as well. So Proton VPN. You can download this and then you can create a Cash App account by logging in here, and then you can click on the create account or use email, something like this, and then you can create your account from here. And you'll need to download the Cash App account to create an account, and so make sure you have the VPN installed on your phone as well.